This is a used 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan. Grab life by the horns. It's powered by front-wheel drive engine and an automatic transmission. The features include electric trunk, leather seats, steering wheel controls, dual temperature controls, a spoiler, power seats, cruise control, a trip computer, air conditioning, power windows. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, anti-lock brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.